a.m. in the morning and I just woke up. I barely slept. It was so hard to ground. There's my tan, man. Look at that. In the middle of the night, I woke up and pumped my boat and put it under my tent. Just not to feel the ground, the hardness of the ground. I slept like that for like 2 hours, and then it didn't go well, and I took it back out. Okay, the day is breaking, and I'm picking up some woods to build a campfire. I've just decided not to waste time trying to build a campfire because everything is wet. Everything is so wet, I cannot make it happen, make it fire. I'll eat some other things, no worries. When the sun goes up, the woods will dry, so I can make the fire work at night maybe, or in the evening. There is the sunrise. It's coming. And I don't want to have my breakfast sitting on a rock watching the sunrise. Here's my breakfast, by the way. Ruffles and a lemonade. And I'll have my breakfast wandering on the island and discovering it. Maybe going to the other side of the island and see what's there. And I won't take my detector. I will not take it. It's gonna be just a walk. Okay, let's go. See, a lot of olive trees here. A lot of them. And it's too hard to move forward on this island because the plants are so dense. We cannot move through. Look at that. I see some animals. Henry, come here. Don't chase them. And I finally arrived at the other side of the island. You see there are many other islands around. There is one of them. And behind it, another. Still discovering the other side of the island. It's just amazing here. I really like here. Okay, let's move forward. Back to the camp. Look what I found. A beach. Yes, looking awesome. If I had known about this, I would definitely set up my tent right here on this beach. Jumpy, very jumpy, but moves around 50s. Let's check that out. There it is, right on the ground, a coin. It's a very old coin again, like the one I found yesterday. But again, you can't tell what it is. It's a lot worn out. Okay, at least we have something. Let's move on to the next target, right here. There, I found it. It's a coin. It's a modern coin, I think. Yeah. It's a modern Turkish lira. Okay. On to the next. I'm gonna call it Spain. Yeah, there it is. Another Turkish lira. Okay, I got a 67 here. Let's dig that out. I found it. It's another coin. It's again a modern coin. The year is 1998. There it is. A fishing weight. I'm gonna rest a little bit and then maybe I'll move on. Okay. Again, a very nice signal here. '60s. Check that out. Oh my God, it's a coin. Woo! Look at that. First proper coin of the day. Wow. Actually, it's not the first proper coin of the day. I found some modern coins, but in terms of ancient coinage, this is the first. By the way, it was right on the ground. I didn't have to dig for it. Okay. So I'll clean this coin and I'll show you the details on this one. Let's move on to the next. This time, whatever it is not on the ground. I'll have to dig. I found it. It's I know these nails. These are ancient nails. Look at that. Cool. Okay, to the next. I got it. It's another coin. Look at that. It's so small. Not the smallest coin I found, but small indeed. Okay guys, let's take an overall look of today's finds. On the first part of the day, in the morning, I went to the beach side and found a couple of fishing weights, fishing weights, and a couple of pull tabs, a bottle cap, and I also found 4 modern coins. And on the second part of the day, which was the better part, I found an ancient nail and an ancient fishing nail, whatever you call this, I don't know. I'm not sure if this is a fishing nail or not. And best of all, I found 2 ancient coins one of which is a very small one, which needs some cleaning. And the other one is the best find of the day, an ancient coin. This could be a Roman or a Byzantine. I don't think that this is a Greek coin. Look at that. This could also be a silver coin. I'll check that out when I get home. Okay. The day is ending. The sun went down. And I'm gonna build a campfire now. Okay, I just made a campfire. Henry is resting. I'm just boiling some water on the fire. Gonna make some instant pasta for myself. Instant macarino. So that's it for today. After the dinner, I'll probably sleep. So see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.